Hey everybody, it's Karen from Wellness Worth Northwest. How you doing? Hey, I'm doing pretty good too. Let me ask you a question. How tall can a tree grow? Silly question, right? What do you mean? It's as tall as it's supposed to be. As tall as it's supposed to be. Whatever. That's about like you and trying to lose weight or gain weight or whatever it is you're trying to do or handle your chronic illness. You can do it. I know you can. You can thrive. You can thrive because you're going to put it in your mind that you can thrive. It's all about mindset. And so as you sit there and you're thinking about how am I going to do this? Oh my goodness, this is a whole new thing. How will I do it? Okay, we got to get you motivated to do this. I know you can do it. You got to think about that tree. That tree just makes it happen. There's all kind of distractions out there, dump trucks, whatever, but the tree just kind of grows and grows and grows until it's as tall as it's supposed to be. And that's what's going to happen for you. You're going to make these things happen. I know you are. Okay? But those distractions that come out there and everything, that happens. Trust me, especially when it comes to food. Being a foodie, I understand what you're saying. When those distractions happen, what are we going to do? First of all, I always go back to that plan because when you have a plan, it makes it a lot easier. Okay? And sometimes when the distractions do get in the way, you're not going to give up. You're going to say, okay, boy, that was a bad one. Okay, no problem. You get right back up and keep going. I know you can do this. You know, studies show that people start out with the desire to lose weight, get healthier, get a plan, whatever, and then it kind of wanes. It's the maintenance of it. It's like, okay, so I've lost 12 pounds, 20 pounds. It's the maintenance of that plan that you really got to take care of. You got to remember that old tree. That tree is like, I'm going to grow, 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 grow. You just don't know. You can't let anybody stunt your growth. You got to make it happen, okay? And that sometimes means new recipes. It means all kinds of different things that you got to do, but that's okay. And you got help because I'm here to help you with that too. So I want you to get really motivated. Think about all the trees we've got out there, and nobody says, oh, that tree's not going to grow, so-and-so. Like some people will tell you, oh, well, don't worry about it. You've lost 10 pounds, whatever. You have to set your own goals and know that why in there. I know you do. I know you're sitting out there now thinking, I got a why. This is what I want to do. And you can do it. I want you to grow, 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 grow. Yay! Very important. And while you're growing, you're going to take care of your core. Your core is one of the biggest areas that you really need to focus on. And that's going to be your abs section here, of course, okay? But that also includes your lower back and your glutes. That's right, the glutes. So you want to make sure that you're getting in there and you're actually exercising. You make those things stronger. There's all kind of things you can do to make your core stronger. So it doesn't really matter what sport you choose. If you decide, hey, I'm going to start running again, I'm going to start doing racquetball again, bam, a strong core will work. It will be wonderful for you. What I'm going to do now is grab my ball and show you some crunches over here. As a matter of fact, you don't have to do them on the ball, but when you're just getting started, doing them on the ball will give your back some support, if you will, and it'll just make it a lot easier for you. I'm going to get right about here. Okay, there we go, right about here. Groovy doobie. Okay, cool. Be careful when you're on the ball. When you first get on the ball, it's a little scary at first, but you're going to be fine. So you kind of walk your legs forward, just like this. And you're trying to get it to where you've got your shoulder blades on the ball, if that makes sense, okay? There you are, okay? I always take my arms or my hands and put them somewhere besides back here because we found out that that really hurts the neck. So you don't want to do that. So there's all kind of different things you can do. I normally take them like this. Some people keep them at the side like that, but I normally do this. I kind of put them underneath my underarms, as a matter of fact, there. And we just kind of come up. Oh, nice. You don't have to come all the way up. Nice and easy. And that support, the ball is supporting your back. Just nice and easy. When you're doing that, you want to contract up here, squeeze, and then let it go. There it is. Contract and let it go. Contract and let it go. Isn't that awesome? So while you're back here, you can also stretch out on the ball and just get a really good stretch right there on your back. Nice and easy. It's kind of hard sometimes to really stretch your back. You're elongating your spine when you're doing this. Just nice and easy. There you go. Take your time. Elongate the spine, nice and easy. You can really feel that. You can feel it right through here. You can feel it right here. It's awesome. Just take your time. Really good stretch. You're here. Awesome. And then you're coming up. Remember, your core is extremely important. Take time to stretch your core when you want to make sure, because you don't want to forget the sides either. It's very, very important. Just remember the core and so much more, and you can grow as tall as you need to grow. You can lose as much weight as you want to lose and be as healthy as you want to be. I know you can. I'm sending you all kind of positive vibes and positive prayers. See you soon.